Hello, this is Jess Hay from Creative Cards to You. Thank you so much for joining me. Do you want to show your appreciation with a personal touch? In this video, I will guide you through making a simple DIY thank you card set at home. This easy set of thank you cards is perfect for any occasion and will surely put a smile on the recipient's face. Get creative and craft heartfelt messages with materials you likely already have on hand. Watch now and start spreading gratitude with these handmade cards. I'll show you how to create the most adorable set of thank you cards with just a few simple supplies. To get started, I use this vintage Artistry Everywhere paper set by 49th Street and Market. I love the colors of this set and that they can be used for feminine and masculine cards. I also used this Postage set die from Catherine Pooler, as well as the Notecard envelope die. I embossed the blue background with this Coverplate die, and I would recommend spritzing it with water first, as it did crack a little bit. I did that later on. I adhered it to the card base that is 3.5 by 5 inches of accent opaque 120 white pound cardstock. I wanted to use a strip of this ticket pattern paper on the side of my card to anchor the picture and provide visual interest. So I cut strips from the ticket with the orange and blue tickets. I wasn't sure which thank you sentiment to use, so I cut a bunch out of this fun orange patterned cardstock. I ended up going with my favorite from Altenew and experimented with the different cards on which colors to use for the background and foreground of the thanks. I thought I would cut out this sailboat, but I was unhappy with how it turned out, and I thought to use a postage stamp die to kind of continue the theme. It didn't match the picture in terms of size, but I was okay with that. I glued down all of the elements and put 3 sparkly silver embellishments that I got off of Amazon. I used the same overall pattern for all of my cards, with the background, the strip on the side, the picture I'm using, and then the sentiment. You could do this with any pattern paper you have, just using this simple pattern. almost done with the cards, I made coordinating envelopes from 12 by 12 paper that I cut down to fit the dies. You could use anything from your stash that coordinates with the type of cards that you're making. When you put double-sided tape on these cards, you can make the flaps go over or under the panel, as you will see at the end of the video. I tend to like putting them under, but I had forgotten that, as it had been a while since I have used these. You do also need to use a skinnier piece of adhesive tape when you put the flaps underneath. Watson and I would love to know in the comments how you have used this idea to make your own DIY cards.